Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Dcash Gaming, and today we are going to be learning how to install Microsoft MS-DOS 5.00. So, with Roll PC, I like this website. You can click here, and then, or if that doesn't work, click here on one of these three. Be careful, because if your downloads exceed 25, you can't download it anymore. So, once it downloads on Windows, goes to your downloads folder. You're going to run that with WinRAR. Extract this to whatever space you want. And once you extract it, you'll have these three disks, and then they'll run worldpc.com. Okay? And then you're going to go here. You're going to go to new, name, MS-DOS. I'm going to say 5. Okay? Create. And then you're going to settings. Storage, click that, choose disk 1, okay, and you're going to hit start. Okay, so once you get that, if you did it right, you should end up going to the screen that says welcome to startup. This setup prepares MS-DOS version 5.0 to run on your system. Each screen has a basic instructions for completing a step of installation. If you want additional information or instructions about screen or option, press the help key F1. Continue setup, press enter. You're gonna hit enter again, and enter. So it's gonna be formatting the disk, and it's gonna be downloading. Should go pretty fast, with all the modern technology. It's a lot faster than back then. So you're gonna hit 2, enter, and then you're gonna go control. You're gonna click here. Don't care, don't want that. You're gonna go to disk number 3. And then you're going to hit enter. Okay. So, you're going to remove the virtual disk. And you're going to hit enter. Now you're here. And you can do, whatever you need. I'm not too experienced with MS-DOS. I don't use it on a daily basis. I don't know who would. But, if you want to do this, it's a nice little fun thing to do. So, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you find this useful. And until next time, you all have a good one.